Good morning, everybody. It is day 3 and today I'm heading out on the boat. I'm just packing up. I had to pack everything into my bag. It's getting really heavy, but of course I'm wearing all new clothes that I didn't have before, so it wasn't intended for my bag to be carrying all the clothes that I brought from home because I should be wearing some of them. I have to check out of this hostel at 10 a.m. I am kind of happy to move on. This is like a very dingy, dank room. It's very basic accommodation, so it's not something that I'm very sad to leave. I'm actually quite excited to move on to something new, carry on the adventures. I've got all my stuff ready. We leave at 2 p.m. So I do have some time to kill this afternoon in the town. I'm gonna be on the boat. So I'll be finishing off tonight on a sailboat. So hopefully we get a beautiful sunset tonight. I'm so excited, guys. I had a really good sleep again last night. Slowly but surely I'm building my sleep back up because I just really wrecked myself by only getting that 4 hours the other day. But we're gonna make it work. We're making it work and we're enjoying Australia. Another sunny day in Queensland and I couldn't be happier. I'll check in with you guys later about what I get up to and then again at the marina. Tell me why I actually ended up walking. It wasn't too bad. I'm a little hot now. I'm taking a break. I'm not quite there where I need to go yet, but I have so much time now. It's not even noon yet, but I made it to the marina. Got time to kill.
I think maybe inside or on top of it.
I'm on the boat and I have a quiet moment because this is like such an experience but I wanted to just come and say, wow, this is definitely a journey. We just had dinner. We had spaghetti bolognese with garlic bread and a beautiful salad, and I really enjoyed it. And it's really nice. I've been meeting some pretty cool people from around the world, which is really nice. And this is where I'm sleeping. Literally, this is a couple that is sleeping there, and I'm right there. So if I needed to get out of my bed, I have to crawl over the couple, which is pretty funny, but it's definitely an experience. I can't believe it. We're out here in the Whitsunday Islands, and tomorrow should be an amazing day. I'm so excited. I'm pretty tired now. It gets quite cold at night, so I've got my hoodie on. But yeah, what a journey. What an experience. Honestly, like once in a lifetime experience. So I highly recommend, if you can do an overnight sail in the Whitsunday Islands, do it. Do it, do it, do it. It's such a journey. So cool. Like, when will you ever spend the night under a deck in a boat? I've never done that. Add it to your wish list. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 4. Bye! It's morning time. Good morning. We got up at 6 a.m. to watch the sunrise, and they're serving some breakfast. It was a little bit of like a touch and go type of sleep, like wake up every hour, but I still got some sleep, so not bad. Hey. Oh. Oh. Get off the boat onto a dinghy, which brought us to this beach, and this is the famous Whitehaven beach, so it's going to be pretty beautiful. We just have to walk to get there. Walk to the lookout. Well, that was beautiful. We went to the lookout and I finally got to see Whitehaven Beach from above, which is so beautiful. And now I'm walking to the beach. Oh, as I almost fall. Gotta watch where I'm going, but the sand is so white because it's actually made of silica. And because of that, it's very valuable sand and you're not allowed to take any of it from Whitehaven Beach. If you do, you get fined like $10,000, but it's just such a beautiful spot. And because it's silica, the sand doesn't even get hot. So I can't wait to see the sand close up and take my shoes off and go for a walk by the beach. You can swim, but there are stingers. You're recommended to wear like a stinger suit. I didn't want to wear one, so I don't know if I'll go swimming, but I can put my feet in. I think I'll be fine. It's just so nice. I highly recommend you come to Whitehaven Beach if you're in Queensland. Wow. It's so white. So beautiful.
Oh, wow. That's cold.
Time to go back to the boat, but this was incredible. I love this beach. Wow. So glad the sun came out and I was able to see the blue water behind me. So gorgeous. I love it. But it's time to say goodbye.
The people before me said that too, but I haven't found the second one.
It's like I'm not even doing anything that interesting. You are interesting to me.
Yeah. Just
look at his tongue. Look at all the people. Our group got here very early and there's a reason for that. It gets very busy here. So try to get here early if you can and avoid the crowds. No, I'm trying as hard as I can. Fish. Morning. Everybody's swimming. We've had breakfast. We're here for a little bit. And then we'll be back in the port by 11:30. So this is it. The final moments on the boat. That's it. That wraps up my time on New Horizon and sailing the Whitsundays. It was definitely an experience. I had fun. I could talk more about it later, but saying goodbye to the boat. All right, welcome back to Airlie Beach. We got back about an hour ago. I've just been hanging out in the park, well, the lagoon, with a couple girls from the boat trip because there were a few of us that were solo traveling. So it was really nice to see that because there were couples, but there was a good mix of us. A lot of different nationalities, which was really nice. But yeah, overall, very crazy last 2 days. Sleeping on a boat is something else. I had never done it before, so it's something I can say that I've done now. In the Whitsundays, of course, absolutely beautiful scenery, really great food that was included, which was a surprise. I wasn't expecting much for the food on board, but it was great. And the crew was high energy and I felt really safe with them too. Like I knew that they had us in good hands. So that was really nice. A mix of people too on the boat, not as young as I thought it was gonna be. Then we had some 19-year-old youngings, but we also had people that were way older, even older than me. So that was nice. good diversity, good mix. I highly recommend it. I went with True Blue Sailing, so if you're looking for company and you're traveling, especially if you're traveling solo, True Blue Sailing has some great overnight sail trips that you can check out. Now we have to wait until 3 p.m. to check into the hostel, and it's only 1:30, I think. There is something with the True Blue Sailing. They have an after party, so we're all gonna go out tonight. It's a really small town, so we're gonna run into most people that we met on the boat anyways, and have a nice night out. They gave us wristbands for some discounts, so that's a little perk, and it also is a nice way to just have a final goodbye with the people that you just met. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm spending the night at Base Nomads tonight. A lot of other people from the boat are also in the same hostel, so it's one big happy family, hopefully. Tomorrow, I'm catching the Greyhound. So we have a travel day tomorrow. The bus will be 4 hours, 30 minutes, taking me to Townsville. I'm really excited to see something new because literally all I've seen is Airlie Beach and the Whitsunday Islands, which is amazing, but I really want to move on to the next destination and see more of what Australia has to offer. So I'll check in with you guys either tonight or tomorrow when I make my way to Townsville, where I'll start the tour on Sunday. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Hi everybody, so I'm out for dinner. We are having food before we go to the after party. It's so funny that I checked into my hostel and 2 of the girls in the dorm were on the Clipper, and so they're also going to the after party. Small town, but we're out for dinner at the deck, and I think I'm gonna get some pizza. Nice. Thank you. Bon appetit.